PM Youth Business Loan 2023 Eligibility, Application Form, How to Apply. Are you ready to avail the opportunity for entrepreneurs in Pakistan? Now, you can get PM Youth Business Loan Scheme 2023 with simple and easy terms. The Prime Minister of Pakistan has announced the Prime Minister Youth Business PMYBL loan scheme, which have less markup. All the commercials, Islamic and SME banks will provide PM business loan to the individual who will be eligible. There is no last date mentioned, so you can apply whenever you need to get this loan scheme. All the banks of Pakistan have same criteria as mentioned in PM loan scheme. You can apply for only one bank at a time for the PM Entrepreneurship Program. The maximum tenure for repayment of loan is 8 years, including a maximum of 1 year grace period. NTN number is not compulsory, but if you have NTN number then it will increase more chances of success. PM Business Loan Daily Update. PM Youth Business Loan Scheme has helped entrepreneurs across the country and grow their business. There are till now, over 1.5 billion rupees in agriculture sector loans have been distributed in agriculture industry. Apply online fast before the deadline for approval of your desired loan amount. Query about loan approval. The loan approval is the sole prerogative of the PMYP partner banks, whereas the federal government is subsidizing the whole scheme. However, banks will process according to their own procedures. It is requested that you please wait for their response. The government of Pakistan would distribute 30 billion rupees among 40,000 deserving people in Pakistan up to the 30th of June 2023. The PM Youth Loan registrations are opened, and visit the PMYP website and start your business. You can learn how to apply for PM Business Loan for Youth of Pakistan from the official YouTube tutorials. Prime Minister Youth Business Loan 2023 Tiers DETAILSTIER 1. The range is 100,000 up to 1 million Pakistani rupees with 3% markup. No security required for loan in this tier. Tier 2. The range is above 1 million up to 10 million Pakistani rupees with 4% markup. Tier 3. The range is above 10 million up to 25 million Pakistani rupees with 5% markup. PM Business Loan Scheme 2023 Eligibility Criteria. All the information available on Kamyab Jawan Yes program is almost same with this loan. Shamil men, women holding CNIC, aged between 21 and 45 years with entrepreneurial potential are eligible. For IT e-commerce related businesses, the lower age limit will be 18 years. Small and medium enterprises, startups and existing businesses, as per definition of SBP and owned by youth as per above mentioned age brackets, are also eligible. For IT e-commerce related businesses, at least matriculation or equivalent education will be required. This scheme is for both startups as well as existing micro and small business enterprises. You can always reapply if you want to avail the increase in maximum loan size announced recently. No physical application is not allowed. All applications have to be submit online. The minimum age for the applicant under this scheme is 21 years at the time of application submission. However, it is relaxable to 18 years in case of applicants applying for IT or computer related businesses. The maximum age limit is 45 years at the time of application submission. At least one business partner's director's age should comply with the age limit defined under this scheme, 21-45 years. There is no general requirement of minimum educational qualification, though it will be a favorable consideration for decision making by banks. However, in case of businesses which compulsorily require certain qualification, certifications, diplomas, authorization or licenses, the same must be held by the applicant. There is no gender discrimination in this scheme, and applicants of all genders are offered equal opportunities. However, considering the ground realities and to protect the fair gender, a minimum of 25% share on aggregate basis of all loans is kept for women. Persons employed in private jobs can also apply. Existing micro and small enterprises can also benefit from this scheme. One family member cannot apply in another's name. This scheme is only for resident Pakistanis. A person cannot avail more than one loan. Blood relatives of employees of participating banks cannot apply for loans under this scheme from the banks where their blood relatives are employed. Government employees are strictly barred from applying under this scheme. All businesses which are ethical and permitted under the law are eligible for this scheme. Applicants are advised to select businesses which are ethical, legal, commercially viable, and suitable for applicants' respective areas and for which applicants possess required minimum knowledge, experience, training and support. Installments. Repayment of PM Business Loan 2023 loan can be repaid in equal monthly, quarterly, biannually or annually installments. However, the exact repayment terms would depend upon the specific business types and bank's decision. The applicant is encouraged to negotiate these terms at the time of finalization of loan with the bank. Scheme allows a maximum of 1 year grace period. However, the exact grace period would depend upon the specific business types and bank's decision. The applicant is encouraged to negotiate these terms at the time of finalization of loan with the bank. Applicants can make early repayments during the loan tenor, which would reduce the principal portion of their liability. There is no limit on the number of balloon payments. A borrower can make balloon payments only if the loan is regular, that is, there are no overdue installments. An applicant making balloon payment has the option to reduce the loan repayment period, or have the installment reduced, or opt for a combination of both of these options. An applicant can repay the loan in full any time before the loan maturity date. List of banks for PM Youth Business Loan Program 2023. Following banks are participating in this scheme: Allied Bank Limited, Al Baraka Bank Limited, Askari Bank Limited, Bank Al Falah Bank, Al Habib Bank, Islamic Pakistan Limited, Bank of Khyber, Bank of Punjab, Dubai Islamic Bank Limited, Faisal Bank Limited, First Woman Bank Limited, Abib Bank Limited, Abib Metropolitan Bank Limited, EJS Bank Limited, MCB Bank Limited, Mizan Bank Limited, MCB Islamic Bank Limited, National Bank of Pakistan, Sindh Bank Limited, Saneri Bank Limited, United Bank Limited. How to apply for PM Youth Business Loan 2023. You need to fill the PM Youth Business Loan application form. That link is given below. You must have scanned copies, clear visible pictures of following documents ready before you start your application: passport size picture, ethnic, front side and CNIC, back side alleged educational degree certificate, if and whichever applicable, matric, intermediate, bachelor's, master's, PhD, etc. Apply for Tier 1 loan in PM Youth Business Loan Scheme 2023. At least one business experience certificates, if applicable licensed registration with chamber or trade body, if applicable recommendation letter from respective chamber, trade body or union. This is mandatory in case of existing business. You must have the following information handy before you start your application: national tax number. In case you don't have one, please register consumer ID of electricity bill of your current address. NITB to link image of where consumer ID is written on electricity bill, consumer ID of electricity bill of your current office address, if applicable. Apply for Tier 2 and 3 in PM Youth Business Loan Scheme 2023. Complete registration number of any vehicle registered in your name, if applicable. Name, CNIC and mobile numbers of 2 references other than blood relatives. An estimate of monthly business income, business expenses, household expenses and other income should be available with you in case of new business, while in case of existing business please provide actual monthly business income, business expenses,
and other income, if any details. Please note, please sign up to submit application. You must have a mobile number registered in your name to start this application, on which bank shall communicate with you. This application shall take at least 15 minutes to complete, subject to availability of above listed information. You may complete the form in one go or save a draft for submission later on. Please upload as much information as you have, e.g. financial statements, business feasibility, last 6 months bank statement, etc. This shall help to better evaluate your application. Once the form is submitted, your application registration number shall appear on the screen, and you will also receive SMS stating the same. Please keep it safe. You will receive SMS once your application moves to next stage of process. However, you may check your submitted application status on this website as well.